Hey guys, Jay here. This is smarthelping.com. So today I don't have a new template. I have a question that was asked by a customer, and I want to do more of this if I can to look at previous templates I've built and answer customer questions and explain how to use the template based on that question. So this is probably one of the most popular models I've done in the past decade. It's inventory forecasting, and it's got a bunch of assumptions about Uh, growth, sales, minimum inventory levels, historical sales, payment terms, cash flow forecasting. Uh, it can go past 19 SKUs. The model is built to expand as many SKUs as you need just by dragging down the last row and all the different tabs. The question in this one was pertaining to the forecasted sales count. So right now, the model just takes historical averages per month, puts them into here, and then it takes the growth you put on the control tab in each year and applies that to the month over month growth to forecast the expected unit sales of each SKU over time. This allows you to take into account growth and seasonality. But the question the client had was, can they take data from their own software and plug it in here for the sales counts of each SKU without busting anything else in the model? And the answer is, of course, yes. If you have your own forecast for how you're calculating your expected sales per month per SKU, you can produce that and then just drop it right in here, and that's fine. The whole rest of the model will run off of that. You can see we've got sales dollar count here converted into units. You see this is the same. These are the same numbers you see pulling right from the historical sales. You see 136, 83 for SKU 1. That's exactly what you see here. So if you update these numbers, those numbers will update. For example, if I were to put, 500 here, you can see in the sales, or the sales units 500 updates. And then the rest of the algorithm here is looking at minimum order quantities, when you're ordering things, and then figuring out how much to order based on expected future sales demand. So we've got a lot of logic here. The main logic that this model does that's so nice is it looks at how much you're going to need, and then it tells you the month you need to order in order to have enough inventory to last you until you're going to run out based on your future sales. And then it also accounts for payment terms, so it can tell you how much cash you're going to need over the next. Well, I did this up to 6 years of forecasting, which is usually more than enough. You see when inventory is arriving, the month it's actually being ordered, the units ordered, the balance of units over time, so it's depleting based on those future expected sales per month. So it's a really useful template for a lot of people. I tried to. This is probably the last iteration of the main template I'm doing. It used to work a little bit differently, a little bit more complex and less user friendly. This last version I did maybe a couple of years ago is much easier to use for the user and edit as well as expand to as many SKUs, and it's not as heavy as the old ones. You see here on the monthly summary, you got sales, cost of goods sold, all the way down. The main thing we're trying to do here is um, cash flow. So you can see um, inventory purchases, when you're actually paying for the inventory, your inventory balance, the accounts payable balance. So it's affecting a lot of things in regards to cash flow, and you could actually hook this right into a three-statement model, or see the logic for how you would do that based on what's happening here. The actual inventory payments is just this row 17. This is what you're paying for the inventory that you got to order based on all the different assumptions aggregated together across every SKU. These were added more recently is checking inventory balance, accounts payable balance, trailing 3 month average inventory level. So if you want to download the template, you can go to smarthelping.com right over here. It's in the accounting bundle section under inventory, and it is the first one here, inventory forecast. $45 one-time fee, and you can get this and start using it. Review the video if you want for more details, and you can also just get the whole accounting bundle for $249, and that includes, you know, the inventory template I just talked about, as well as all these other things. There's a whole bunch of cool stuff here I've built in spreadsheets to help finance departments. Keep in mind, I do build financial models, bottom-up models for all kinds of different industries. You can check those out on the Financial Models tab. There's well over 200 unique models here, going through some simple logic, some quite advanced. It's a great way to learn, a great way to save time if you're in finance and you want to have a nice library. You can check out all these different templates. And if you're interested, you can go over here to the Super Smart Bundle under the Large Template Bundles category. And Super Smart Bundles, $4.99. It includes all the templates on the whole site for a one-time fee. And that also includes anything I build in the future. If you want to refresh, I just can send you over a new download link whenever you want, and it'll have all the latest templates in it. So this is what I've got for the world I've built, and I think it's super valuable, super helpful. If you want to hire me, I am available for work, $275 an hour. I don't know how long I'll have this rate. It might be going up in the next 6 to 12 months, depending on demand, but right now it's $275 an hour. You can email me. I'm pretty quick turnaround times, and I try to stay available as possible, so I get through things fast and keep my availability. And like I said, the rate just goes up as I get more and more clients, so I can continue to maintain that availability for who needs it. Alrighty, well, that's all I got for you. Like and subscribe, and we'll probably between now and next Sunday, I'm going to look at doing a new template. I don't know in what industry yet. The last one I did last week was loan securitization, which was really awesome. Building this thing out, I was super satisfied with the end result, what it's able to do, and it's just I want to keep doing more and more things that is detailed and helpful as that. So we'll just keep on going. Alrighty, guys. See you on the next one.